The contents of multiple images are allowed to be integrated and shown in the picture. This is a panoramic picture used for the site, app, Facebook, and other social media. And these pictures may be easily completed with the help of Polo's automatic panorama tripod head. The panoramic photography is divided into environment panoramic photography and the panoramic photography for products. Firstly, let's have a look at panoramic photography. You are enabled to install the Polo's panorama tripod head on the scaffold by use of the power button at the bottom opened previously. Connect it with Bluetooth. Turn on the camera and turn off live functions. And it is possible to automatically shoot each round of 24 photos via the smartphone through the control of remote control unit over the holder. You are allowed to set the shooting mode with the 36 or 48 pictures per round, and combine the panoramic picture by the software. We recommend to combine panoramic photos by use of Microsoft's ICE software, and take a look at if the effect was extremely impressive. Furthermore, you are also allowed to set panoramic shooting mode via remote control unit. Only a key enables the holder to automatically rotate 360 degrees. You may easily capture the panoramic picture with high and stable quality. Polo's panoramic tripod head is capable of matching GoPro and micro single-lens reflex for services to meet the selection of the user on more equipment. Next, let's have a look at panoramic photography of the product in 360 degrees. Firstly, turn on the power. Install the panorama head on the tripod. Install the dedicated tray. Connect to the Bluetooth and then adjust the position of the camera. Put the product onto the tray. Similarly, you are allowed to set the round of suspension with 24 times, 36 times, 48 times via the remote control unit, and control the smartphone shooting via Bluetooth during the suspension. High-quality display effect of panoramic item may be realized via post-processing. Furthermore, the holder may turn at an angle and keep holding for 10 seconds, and it is possible to take the photo or video with the 360 degrees for the photo with the camera by use of this function, meeting different requirements through post-processing.